All right, ES for March 24th, 2015. We want to see a break above these highs. We want it badly, actually, and then we want to see if we can come back up here. Again, one sell signal. We need the support level of 75 to hold. 2075 around this area. It broke through the 2090 area, and we kind of just want to see this volume is light, so again it could just be a retracement flag to the upside, but we want it now. We're in again another grind, so I want to see if it's going to grind and pop above here and go to new highs, or it's going to break down below. And we definitely do not want to see 2040 area again at all. So we'll see how this one plays out and go from there. And Q has some big excuse me, had a lot more movement in it because Google and Netflix were up big today, so that held things up pretty well. You had the YM giving a sell signal, but again we want to see again, we want these levels right here to hold, continue to holding. IWM gave back a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Again, small candles, you would say, listen, it's just a retracement. We want this level to hold 123.85 for continue upside. Apple, again, just a small body candle, nothing to really say, okay, is this just a flag to continue up? Again, I would like for this to be more, and I'm not a breakout trader, but I would like to see a break above these highs, at least that 128 area, to try to test for new highs going forward. Alibaba is continuing to go down. Maybe it gives the sell signal was yesterday, and then we probably just roll a stop to break even and see kind of what happens from there. You had Amazon down a little bit, but still not doing anything bad. Again, we want this area to hold in a major way as well. Okay, this was the last buy signal, and it barely popped up at all, and it didn't really give much movement. So that's what's kind of going on right here, right now. You have Netflix. Given a nice signal, like I said, it came back into the buy zone and continued to the upside, so that one looks good. Priceline gave some back today as well, so again, we just wanted to do something like on the downs. We just wanted to pop up, quite honestly, and stay up versus pop up hard, float for another 2 days, low volume, look beat up, and then give you 2 low days down is fine, but you do not want to increase volume to the downside at all for that name. You had Intel gave a sell signal as well yesterday and continued down hard. You have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is again we wanted to continue up. Again, don't look at just this candle. We want to see if this low right here of 260.85 is going to hold as well. We got Tesla. Tesla popped up a little bit, but still looking very, very weak. And you see the volume popped up a little bit, but this is an indecision candle. So we want to see which way this one continues to break, if it breaks up or it breaks down. We have also, I saw another signal on Yahoo. I think I mentioned it yesterday. But again, this could be, honestly, I would just be careful with this one. It could go either way. Okay, so that's one that, again, if it breaks above this high and it layers above here, that's all right, cool, it goes. But if it doesn't, it goes back into this, and you can see the trend has been down since November. So we just want to, again, you don't have to be long everything. You don't have to be long just because the market's opening. Again, we got a sell signal on Procter & Gamble as well, so we want to see what happens with this name as well. But you want to keep your powder dry if you feel that there's indecision. If you don't feel there's indecision, that's fine. Sometimes you could say, listen, I'm not really sure, but you want to get in, you could take half a position. That means that you're just showing some type of maturity to say, listen, I'm not sure how this one's going to play out. So again, Bank of America continued to go down. JP Morgan gave a sell signal and continued and closed near the low. So that's one to be aware of. Citi, again, same, almost identical pattern, but Goldman is one we really want to see. Well, I think it's probably the best name out of there. And plus, Goldman is I wouldn't say the manipulator of the market, but they're very tied in with the Fed, let's put it like that. So we'll see how they do this one as well. And I think oil popped up a little bit, but still looking very, very weak right now. Not looking like anything to write home about. And also with gold, matter of fact, let's see what the bonds did. So the bonds popped up. So again, almost an inverse relationship with the bonds and the market. So the bonds popped up. So this might mean that they might be knowing something and not letting us know. So be cautious. Take care.